It's not the destination, it's the journey and the destination. Use Unleashed and Mintsoft WMS to move your stock from one warehouse to another. First, raise a warehouse transfer in Unleashed, specifying the source and destination warehouses. When you save this as parked, it will sync to the WMS as two jobs: an order to pick for the source warehouse and an ASN to receipt. Both will be coded to match the transaction name in Unleashed. Next, action the pick job in the source warehouse, ensuring a courier service is assigned. If you're not using a courier, perhaps because the transfer is on the same lot, you can set up an empty courier service providing a dummy value. Lastly, action the ASN in the same way as a purchase order. Receipt the correct quantity, save, assign locations, and book in ASN. This syncs back to Unleashed as complete.